Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best replacement carburetor is probably one of the most important components for keeping your Briggs and Stratton engine running smoothly. Whether you're dealing with a sputtering lawnmower or a generator that won't start, a faulty carburetor can be the culprit. In this video, we'll dive into the world of replacement carburetors, helping you understand what to look for and how to choose the right one for your needs. Number 5. Carbhub carburetor replacement for Troybilt engines. Are you experiencing issues with your engine? This Carbhub carburetor is the perfect solution. It's designed to replace your old or damaged carburetor, restoring your engine's performance. This carburetor is a direct replacement for part numbers 390323, 398170, and 394228. It fits 7 HP, 8 HP, and 9 HP horizontal engines, including many Troybilt models. This Carbhub carburetor fits a wide range of models. It's compatible with models like 170401, 190400, and many more. You can easily find the perfect fit for your engine. The package includes everything you need for installation. You'll receive the carburetor, a fuel filter, a spark plug, gaskets, clamps, and bolts. It has everything you need to get your engine running smoothly. Installing this carburetor is straightforward. It's designed for easy installation, so you can quickly get your equipment back up and running. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This carburetor is designed to fit a wide range of engines, making it a versatile choice. It comes with all the necessary accessories, saving you time and effort. If you have multiple machines or are looking for a hassle-free upgrade, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. After adjusting air fuel, it runs well. The new carb installed without issue and started first pull, had to adjust the high-speed screw as it was set to rich. Shipped well. Has everything you need and came with bolts. Number 4. Briggs and Stratton 594058 carburetor. This is a genuine part from Briggs and Stratton. It's designed to ensure optimal performance for your engine. Trust this part for reliable operation. This carburetor is specifically designed to fit Briggs and Stratton model series 104M02. Installing it is straightforward, and it will restore your engine's performance. It also fits Briggs and Stratton model series 104M05. This part is built to the highest standards, ensuring durability and longevity. Get your equipment running smoothly again. And it's compatible with the 104M0B model series. This carburetor is a direct replacement, making it easy to install. It will get your engine back in top condition. With this carburetor, you can easily replace your old one. It is a perfect fit for your engine. Get yours today and enjoy the benefits. What we like. This is a genuine Briggs and Stratton part, ensuring quality and reliability. It's a direct replacement, so installation is straightforward. If you prioritize brand reputation and ease of use, this is the one for you. What people say. Runs flawlessly now. Installing the Briggs and Stratton 594058 carburetor on my Toro was real easy, one pull and she is running like new. Perfect fit, easy install. Started on the first pull and mower is running strong again. Number 3. Carbhub carburetor replacement for Walbro LM5 to 4993. This is a replacement carburetor from Carbhub. It's designed to replace the Walbro LM5 to 4993. It ensures your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. This carburetor is a replacement for part number 734463213805DN and LM5 to 4993. It's also compatible with various other part numbers. This carburetor is suitable for various engines, including those with 10 HP. It's also compatible with Coleman PowerMate ProGen 5000 watts generator with 9 HP engine. It fits a wide range of engine models. This carburetor is a reliable solution for your engine needs. The carburetor is designed for easy installation. It's a direct replacement, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance for your engine. What we like. This carburetor is specifically designed to replace Walbro LMT carburetors, ensuring a perfect fit. It is built to last, providing long-term performance. If you're looking for a reliable replacement for your Walbro engine, consider this. What people say. This Walbro fit perfectly, and so far, after 2 cuttings, it has performed better than the original Nicky. It was a perfect with 1 crank, and the mower ran great. Product is a much better value than a rebuild kit. It was an exact fit and much lower coat than an OEM carburetor from a dealer. Once adjustments are set, it performs as expected. Number 2. LABWORK 791230 Carburetor Carb with Gasket Kit. This is a replacement carburetor for various V-twin engines. It's designed to fit engines ranging from 20 HP to 25 HP. It ensures your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. This carburetor is a direct replacement for several models, including 799230, 699709, 499804, and MIA 10632. It's built to meet or exceed OEM specifications. It's also compatible with John Deere lawnmower models like L118, L120, LA130, LA135, LA140, LA145, and LA150. This ensures a perfect fit for your equipment. The carburetor fits V-twin 4-cycle engines, including models such as 405777, 406777, and many more. It's a reliable solution for your engine needs. The package includes the carburetor, a gasket kit, 2 spark plugs, and a fuel filter. Everything you need for a complete replacement is included. What we like. This carburetor is designed for V-twin engines, offering a perfect fit and optimal performance. The kit includes everything you need for a quick and easy installation. If you have a V-twin engine and want a hassle-free upgrade, it is the right choice. What people say. The OL tractor runs like new again. Very easy to install. Good quality. Highly recommend. Works and fits as it should. Perfect fit and mower started right up. Number 1. LEIMO carburetor for Briggs and Stratton engines. Are you having trouble with your lawnmower? This LEIMO carburetor is designed to replace your old one. It's a reliable solution to get your engine running smoothly again. This carburetor fits most 122,000 model engines, including various 120XXX, 121XXX, 122XXX, 12EXXX, and 12TXXX models with a primer type system. It's also compatible with BS 14111 carburetors. This carburetor works with Craftsman 6.5 horsepower, Snapper Ninja 6.75 horsepower engines, and more. It's also compatible with Sten's 50 to 657 and 520 to 966 carburetors, and 4 to 7 horsepower engines without a choke. It's also compatible with Briggs and Stratton 124T02, 124T05, 124T07, 126M02 engines, and BS 129700, 129800, 123H00, 123J00, 124H00, 125H00, 12G700, 12G800, 12J700, 12J800, 12J900, 12L800, 12U800, 12V800, 12C700, 12C800, 12D800 4-cycle small engines. The carburetor is pre-adjusted before shipping, so no extra adjustments are needed. It comes with an air cleaner primer base, making installation quick and easy. Get yours today and get back to work. What we like. This carburetor is compatible with a wide range of engines, offering versatility. It comes pre-adjusted, saving you time and effort. If you want a carburetor that is easy to install and ready to go, you should consider it. What people say. This was an exact replacement and the mower started right up and has been running great. So I found this carb fit perfectly, and ran fine. They were thoughtful enough to send 2 gaskets, which are often needed to seal the plastic plate properly. The priming bulb worked well also. In fact, everything included worked well. An awful lot of thought goes into a kit like this. It includes every little thing that you might need. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.